Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see a message from a friend. Hey, I woke up on the wrong side of the bed today. Everything is going downhill. Now, if you translate this literally, it makes no sense. But this is real English. Not textbook English, not classroom English, but the English people actually use every single day. And today, I'm going to take you through an entire day, from morning to night, where you will naturally learn 50 powerful idioms and phrases that native speakers use without even thinking. No pressure, no memorizing, just a story, and you'll absorb everything. Morning routine. The alarm rings. You hit snooze. Again and again. Finally, you wake up and think, ugh, I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. That means you feel irritated or in a bad mood for no clear reason. You drag yourself out of bed. I'm not a morning person, meaning you don't function well in the morning. You look at your phone and suddenly panic. Oh no, I'm running late. You quickly get ready. No time for a proper breakfast. I'll just grab a bite. That means eat something quickly. You rush out of the house. Time is running out, meaning you don't have much time left. On the way, traffic is terrible. This traffic is driving me crazy, meaning it's making you very frustrated. Finally, you reach your destination. Just in time, meaning you arrived exactly when needed. You work and study time. You sit down to start your work, but your brain feels slow. I need to get the ball rolling, meaning to start something. You take a deep breath and begin. After a few minutes, now I'm getting into the swing of things, meaning you're becoming comfortable with the task. Your friend asks you for help. Can you give me a hand? Meaning, help me. You say yes, but inside you feel overwhelmed. I have a lot on my plate. Meaning, you have many responsibilities. Suddenly, your boss teacher gives you more work. This came out of the blue. Meaning, it was unexpected. You try to stay calm. Let's take it one step at a time. Meaning, handle things slowly and steadily. After some effort, I'm finally on top of things. Meaning, you're in control now. Lunch break. It's finally time to relax. Let's grab lunch. Meaning, go eat. You sit with friends and start talking. Someone shares a funny story. That cracked me up. Meaning, it made you laugh a lot. Another friend starts gossiping. Let's not beat around the bush. Meaning, get to the point. Then someone says something awkward. Oops, that slipped out. Meaning, you said something accidentally. You all laugh and move on. Afternoon struggle. Now comes the hardest part of the day. I'm feeling under the weather. Meaning, you feel slightly sick or tired. Your energy drops. I'm running on empty. Meaning, you have no energy left. But you still have work to finish. I have to push through. Meaning, continue despite difficulty. You look at the clock again and again. Time is flying! Meaning, time is passing quickly. Finally, let's call it a day. Meaning, stop working. Evening life. You go out or relax at home. A friend calls you. What's up? Meaning, what's happening? You reply, just hanging out. Meaning, relaxing. They invite you somewhere. I'm in. Meaning, you agree, but then you remember something important. Oh, wait. It slipped my mind. Meaning, you forgot. Still, you decide to go. Why not? Let's go for it. Meaning, take the chance. Night reflection. At night, you think about your day. Today was a roller coaster, meaning full of ups and downs. Some things went wrong, but it's not the end of the world, meaning it's not a big disaster. You remind yourself, tomorrow is a fresh start, meaning a new beginning. You smile and say, I'll sleep on it, meaning you'll think about it tomorrow. Finally, time to hit the sack, meaning go to sleep. Bonus daily idioms naturally added. Throughout the day, you also hear people say, no big deal, not important. Sounds good, I agree. I'm broke, no money. Piece of cake, very easy. That's tough, difficult situation. Hang in there, stay strong. I'm all ears, listening carefully. Let me think, give me a moment. Fair enough, acceptable. That makes sense, logical. I'm exhausted, very tired. Take your time, no rush. I'll figure it out, find a solution. It's up to you, your choice. Don't worry about it, no problem. Powerful ending. Here's the truth. You don't become fluent by memorizing thousands of words. You become fluent when you understand how English is actually used in real life. These idioms are not just phrases. They are emotions. They are habits. They are real conversations. So don't just watch this video. Start noticing these phrases in movies. Try using 2-3 every day. And slowly, naturally, English will start feeling like your own language. And one day, you won't translate anymore. You'll just speak.